Guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can engage with a new meta. However, it's still on a Telegram mini app, and this is called Paws. So it's a new meta because what Paws does for you is it rewards you for your Telegram footprints. So we had dogs, right, that rewarded you for how long you had been on Telegram. However, what Paws does is that all the clicks that you've had on Telegram, all the interactions you've had on Telegram, Paws is rewarding you for all of that. And to do this, all you need to do is to head over to this link. Okay, so it will be provided in the caption beneath. So I'll just select this, select all, and I'll open. So wait for this to open, and then you. Alright, so once you tap on start, and then it's checking your footprints, checking your post. So it says, welcome to Paws. We collect footprints in Telegram ecosystem and reward users for achievement. Tap on let's start. So it goes all the way to not. Total not users 17 million. Okay, total dogs users 46 million. Okay, and it keeps going. It goes all the way to hamster. Total hamster users 108 million. Okay, so Telegram users 900 million. All right, so it then calculates your Paws for you. Awesome. So you say congratulations, legend, you're a top tier player in Telegram mini apps, and you just tap on gotcha. So my total reward is 9,759 Paws, and yep, this is it. So all you need to do is now try to get your Paws up. So this is the Paws already allocated to you by default based on your activities on Telegram. So in order for you to, okay, you know what, let's tap on check your rewards. All right, so this is literally the breakdown based on my Telegram age drop, hamster drop, dog drop. So this is how they calculated it. And join our community. If you tap on this, let's see, just tap on join. If you've joined the community, head back to the mini app, and then you want to connect your wallet. All right, let's connect to Keeper wallet. Okay, so let's just wait for this to load up. All right, connect wallets, impute passcode, and I believe your wallet should be connected. Okay, so the wallet is connected now. So let's head over to Leaderboard. What do we have here? All right, so we just have the leaderboard of different participants in the Paws gaming app, and we can see their Paws allocation as well. Then we tap on earn. Okay, so you can earn more Paws by doing different tags. So I've connected my wallet and I've earned 3,000 Paws, so I claim that. So if you invite friends, you earn more Paws. You follow them on Twitter, you earn more Paws. And if you follow the channel, you earn Paws. And then if you tweet about Paws, you earn Paws as well. All right, so this is where you get your link to invite more friends to earn more Paws. Once you just tap on invite, you tap on copy link, and then you can paste your link on different platforms, probably your WhatsApp stories, your Twitter. Once they join with your link, you get rewarded. All right, guys, so this is literally the overview on how you can engage with the Paws Telegram mini app game. I hope that it's rewarding in the long run. So ensure to like this video, and if this video has been helpful to you, or if you find all our tutorial videos helpful and valuable, do support our channel by buying the educational token WikiCat used on the BSC chain. The contract address is in the description beneath. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.